Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a 3dsmax day 4 class. So in this we are going to learn extended perimeters. So here it is. So extended perimeters. In this extended perimeters there are some shapes like hydra, torus knob, chamfer box and chamfer cylinder and capsule L extends, C extends and like this we have some different shapes. So how to create that and what are the uses in that we are going to see now, and also we'll see what is groups and ungroups, and also we are going to create a small model, sofa model, so in this video. Okay, so watch the video till the end and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and click on the bell icon for regular notifications. So now we start. So before going to that, we just maximize the toggle, and also we'll change the unit setup. Okay, so now to change the unit setup, go to customize and select unit setup. In this here we can change the unit setup, right? So last time we have worked on metric and centimeters, right? So in the previous videos, now we will see feet and inches, how to create in feet and inches. Okay, so just select and click on the 1:1 ratio and here inches and click on OK. So now go to modifier and here we can check out the unit setup. So first we'll select the top view. So if you want grid you can keep, otherwise you can off the grid. Okay, shortcut is G. So you can check out the previous videos for shortcut keys. Okay, next one we'll start the hydra shape. So click on the hydra shape and just click and drag on the screen. Okay, we'll get a shape like this and go to 3D view. So click on this and go to the modify. In modify here we can observe, so here it is the radius feet and inches. Now I can increase the radius or decrease. Okay, so now I will give the radius a 3 feet, enter, and I will change the shape here, family type. So see here it is in cube and octa. So if I select this, so it going to create a, we can create the shape like this. So we have different types of shapes, so we can check out. So this, so like this, so we can use for bulb interior purpose, so like this. So there are different types of shapes. Okay, this is what the use of shape of hydra. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color like this. Okay, now we'll see the next shape, torus knot. Torus knot, the shape will be like this. So it is like in connected chain type. So either we can increase or decrease. So directly we'll go to the 3D model. So here we can change. So if you want like the, if you want in a chain type, then you can copy the objects one by one, so like this, and enter the number of copies. So in a previous video I have explained about how to create and copy object, so you can go through that and you can check out for the tools. See like this we can connect the object. Okay, next shape is chamfer box. To create a chamfer box, so first go to the top view, click on the chamfer box. So there is a small changes between box and chamfer box. Okay, so in standard perimeters also we have box option, but here we have difference between this both. So first select the chamfer box and top view. First enter the length and width. Okay, length and width, and from front view click on the height, and see, if you scroll your mouse left click, here you can observe at the corners we can have a rounded shape. So that shape we can call it as chamfering, like this. So the shape, if you select the box option, so here, see, here we can have only the corner to corner in a sharp edges. So this is what the difference between box and chamfer box. Okay, I think you have understand, right? Now what we have to do next, we'll go for chamfer cylinder. So this is chamfer cylinder, same option, but so it is in a circular, so like this. Okay, so if you want to increase the radius, means what you have to do, go to the modifier, and here we can increase the radius and also height also. So we can increase height, and also we can increase the fillet option also, like this. Wait, I will zoom in. See, like this we can fillet, and also we can increase the height of an object. Okay, so like this we can edit in a modify. So next step is oil tank. So to create an oil tank, first what we have to do, click on the point and enter the radius and give the height of the tank. Okay, present I will give 10 feet, and we need to give cap height also. Cap means this one. Okay, this height also we need to mention. So click on left click and right click, then we can we can create a oil tank shape. So if you want to rotate, so see, if you just rotate like this, you can observe. So there is a tank. Now if you want, it is in a vertical, right? If you want in a horizontal, then what we have to do, we need to rotate. So rotate, angle snap on, and click on the angle direction for the 90 degrees. Okay, so like this we can rotate. We can object. Okay, so next one is capsule. Capsule is nothing but like it looks like a tablet. So we can have only bottom and top radius and height will be there. We can check out in modify. So here we can have radius option and also height, like this we can change of height. Okay, next shape is spindle. So spindle shape we can create like this. So in oil tank and capsule we have circular, right? In spindle we have sharp edge with center. See, like this. So it will have sharp edge on the top middle space, and remaining part will be sloped. Okay, at both the sides. So this is what the difference between oil tank and spindle. Now important L extent. Okay, so L extent is nothing but for creating a at a time we can create two walls. We can create a two walls. See, first what we have to do, so first I will just click on this and we will just to drag like this. So on right side or left side we need to select. Okay, after selecting that we need to give height. For that we need to go with front view and enter the height. Okay, After that, go to the top view, and again here we need to enter thickness of wall. Okay, so thickness of wall, that's it. So this is how we will create our two sides of walls. Okay, once again I will show you one more time. So click on the L extent, just select either left side or right side. So I am going to select this time at left side, and front view, height, and top view again, and wall thickness. Okay, now we can go with 3D and zoom it. So here we can find out. So if you want to change any uh, sizes, go to modifier and see here it is in minus, so we'll make it as positive 18 feet, enter, and front length is also 16 feet, enter. Okay, now height, so I will enter 10 feet, enter. So we can rotate the object like this. So this is what two sides of wall we can go with. So either we can create mirror option, or directly we can copy an object. So like this we can add on the other side, but as of now we go with two walls only. Okay, so just rotate the object like this, and just we can change the color to identify easily. We'll select blue color. Okay, now from the top view we can create, we can rotate an object. For easy identification, now it will be easy for us to rotate an object. Now here we have to create a floor, so we need to go with box option itself. So in standard parameters, click on the box option and just create from the corner to the corner. Go to the front view and add the thickness and right click. Then here we can go with the model. Okay, so like this we just created one's room area. Now here we need to place any one sofa, any one 3D models means, then how to create that. So what here we can add on one more tool like group option. So what is the use of group option means, now see if I select, this is all in a individual, right? So if I select all the objects at a time, and here in a file menu you can observe we have one option called group. Here it is, top side left side. Click on this and select group option, and here enter the group name. If you whatever you want you can just enter, and see now if I select means the entire object has been created for a group. Okay, so if you don't want, then just select the object which we have created the group option, and now go to group and just ungroup. Now what will happen, all will be divided or exploded. Okay, so once again select all the object and go to the group option and click on group, then just okay. If you select this, it will be a group option. Okay, so I think you have understand about extended perimeter shapes, and also how to create a group option. Now we see about how to create a sofa model. So for that we keep this aside. Next we'll create the sofa model here, and then we'll start. So to create that, first what we have to do, go to the top view, and here, so we'll just change it into shaded, so it will be easy for us. So first I will select extended perimeters. In this I'm going to select chamfer box. In the chamfer box, first we'll create a single sofa. So for that, length and width, okay, and go to coming to the front view and height. So we'll just zoom in and height at I think maximum 4 to 5 inches, and fillet chamfering to the corner. Okay, so we'll just look into the 3D. So like this we have created. Go to the modify, and here we can change off length to the 3 feet, width exactly 5 feet. This is for a practice purpose we are going to create. Okay, now click on this. Now what we have to do, this is for base cabinet, right? So now we'll just create a supports, so left side and right side. For that, we'll just create and copying object. So click on OK. So I think I'm telling you once again, so to create a copy object, so check out the previous videos. Okay, so there I have explained. So otherwise I will add on to the card options. So at the right side you can check out, and you can go with in description also. Next, change the color of this object, so to identify, and I will go to the modify, and here we need to change the length is for just 6 inches. No, so width we need to change for 6 inches, and height will be we need to check at front view. So height, it's for, I will enter 2 feet, enter. Okay, now just drag to the corner and also to the bottom like this, or we can have 6 inches add on. So to get high, so we'll just drop down to the center like this. Okay, now just go to the top view, and again, so this we need to copy for opposite corner. So okay, so we need to check out whether these are in exactly attached or not. So we need to go with, so snap toggle, and here we need to on vertex and close. So this corner to this corner I'm going to join, or better just move on to the corner. So this corner should be attached to this corner, so like this we can join. Same for this also, left and right side. So what we have to do, again snap toggle on, click on the corner and just move to the corner. We'll check out in front view also. So okay, so both should be selected, and at the time we can rise to the height. Okay, so I'm going to add on to the 10 inches above. Okay, now click on the realistic view. So now go to 3D view. So now what we have to do, we need to create a backside support also, right? So to create that, so we need to copy this object one more time. I'm going to copy and select the object color, and now we need to change the length. So length, so directly 6 inches we'll just create, And height also, go to the front view and we'll check out. So height will be uh, 3 feet. I'm going to enter. Okay, so like this we can create an sofa model, a basic sofa model. So this is a basic model itself for practice purpose. Okay, so next what we have to do, so we need to add one more feet to the width. So because we have added the corner sofa model side corner support, so for that reason now select the link and place onto the exactly needed corner shape. So this corner shape should be joined at this corner. So exactly it has been matched. Okay, so like this we can create a sofa model. This is a basic model itself. Come to the front view and off the snap toggle and also angle snap and increase the height of our sofa model. So we can go with support and also, so like this you can change off, or we can give from bottom also. So for bottom, so just move to the base cabinet like this. Okay, so like this we can create a model, we can create a sofa model. So on above the base cabinet, here we can add like cushions and all, so that we'll see in previous session. In next coming session we can see. Okay, so now this is a single sofa model. So what I have to do, so this is all are in a like individual, right? So we'll create into the group. So select all the object and click on the group option and okay. Now if you want same into the other model, you need to copy. So how to copy that? So now click on any, select any axis and just drag like this and click on OK. So that one has been created. Now if you want, so we'll just go to the top view. Now if you want in a 3 sitting sofa like that, so what you have to do, we need to copy an object. Either we can go with rotate or we can have mirror option. As of now I will select only the rotate option. So in that rotate I'm going to just change the angle of direction and just move on to the opposite corner. So like this. See, I'm going to ungroup this to edit. So I will select entire object like this and copy like this to the number of sets 2 and click on OK and delete the this inner part and select one more time like this and move on to the exactly to the cabinets, sorry, to the, you need to fill the gaps, so like this. Okay, now just select and click on group option. So here we can find out now 3 sitting like this. So how many seats we want, we can copy that object. So like this we can copy the object. So this is a basic model itself to practicing. So while in coming next sessions and all, we can see real objects. So really, so now if you want, we can place off a table. So we can create and place a table and flower part like that. So that and all we'll see in next sessions. So after creating the models, we need to place into the floor plans. Okay, So for that, so can just place a one by one also. So I will just rotate this for 90 degrees and click on move option. So I think this, it has to be fitted like this. Okay, now click on this object and we can place off corners same as usual, this corner also, but this has to be rotate. Okay, now we just click on origin point and just we can move off like this. Okay, so click the object and go to the 3D view. So go to the front view, zoom. So this we need to just move on to the exactly floor level. So like this we can place off. And one more thing, we can add on legs to the sofa also. So legs to the sofa also. So for that we need to again edit. So I will show you for one model, so how to add the legs and all. So like this we can create and place the models. Okay, so like this we can place off. So camera and all we can see at the last, so how to place that and everything. So to create legs and all, so first I will ungroup this. So ungroup and go to the top view, zoom, and F3 should be on. So I'm going to create legs for these two roles, for this two, and here we no need. So for this two itself we can place. So by using the standard perimeters and here cylinder, so at the cylinder just click on inner to inner and front view. See, up to that, like this we can place on. So just we can, like this we can place the legs of any just sofa. And also we can copy this object to the opposite corner and copy the both once again, and again here to right side also we can copy off. Now we can check in a 3D. Select any one object and just rotate. So here now we can observe. See, so these are the legs support we have added. So like this, so just click on this, we can zoom in. So we can change the color also. So to identify, see like this we can select and changing the color. So like this we need to create for entire object. Okay, so now again if I want, just select everything, go to the top view and click on F3 function key and select all the objects and go to the group option and click on group and again click on group. Then it will be everything is to be selected. Okay, so I think now you understand how to create a small two sides of wall and floor, and how to create a sofa model, and again how to place that in a 3D floor plan. So in next coming session we'll add on one more skills and all. So if anyone is interested to join the 3dsmax online course, you can contact to the number. The number contact details will be displayed in description, so please check out. And if you like the video, and do subscribe my YouTube channel. If any new visitor or new viewer, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.